Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today my friends we are making some homemade caramel apples. Super easy and delicious, and I can't wait for you to give it a try. Now we have a couple little steps to do, but they're really easy and it will come together in a flash. And now let's begin. Alright guys, so before we get started, I want to speak about our apples. Now right here are our Granny Smith apples, nice and tart and crisp. If you want, you can use whatever kind of apple that you like, but because we're using a really sweet caramel, you know how sweet that can be, we want the apples to have a sort of a tart taste to it. You don't want sweet on sweet. It's just going to be too overpowering. Also, in your mouth. If you're going apple picking, you can skip this boiling step. What I am doing is we're going to boil just to get rid of this coating that has on top. This wax coating is actually not going to be good for your caramel sauce, because when you dip this in there, all the caramel is going to it's just going to fall off of it, and it's just going to be a gloppy mess. And my water is boiling up. It has come to temperature, and what you want to do is take one apple at a time and just for 15-30 seconds release it in the water. We just want to make sure that all the wax buildup just melts away right into the water. So we're just going to leave this here, watching it for 30 seconds, between 15 and 30 seconds. Okay, once you do that, you can remove it. We're not cooking the apples. We're just simply melting off the wax. Then we're going to put this in the colander, and I'm going to continue with the rest. I'll be right back. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place them in my colander and put this in the freezer for about a half an hour, just so that way they can cool off. Okay guys, so I just finished taking out my apples from the freezer. They're nice and cold. Right here I have a cookie pan sheet lined with wax papers, and I have some skewers for my apples. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it right in the center where the core would have been at, and I'm just going to place it down. You're going to have to put a little force in it, and continuing on, just remove the little stuff. Here I have about a cup of slightly salted chopped nuts. That's for our dipping with the apples. And right here I have heavy cream, and then over here in my pot I have the soft caramel. A little help from the supermarket. So right here I have my fire on the lowest setting. It has to be a really low flames, because we don't want how nice and thick this can be. So just put a little as you go. All you're going to need is about a tablespoon, and just stir it. It's going to look like nothing right now, but as this heats through, it's going to melt, and I'll see you right back. Alright guys, look at this. This sauce is incredibly smooth. No lumps whatsoever. You definitely have to stay here and stir it all the way through. Do not walk away or leave it untouched. It needs to be a constant stir on a really low flame. Now let me show you what to do. So right after your caramel is nice and smooth, remove it out from the fire. Alright, so this part is really simple. You're just going to take one apple, and you're going to tilt your pot just a little bit. Place it in and try to get as much of the apple coated. Leave some green showing. Let it drip down the excess, and it's going to keep on dripping. And you might need to just do that, just to scrape the sides off, because then you'll be here forever trying to wait for it to stop dripping. And then right here, dip it right here, and then swirl it a little bit. Place it right back in the cookie sheet, and continuing on. Tilt your pot so you can get a good grip of all the sauce. Stir it all around. And you see, because we removed some, if not all, of the wax, The caramel sauce really has a great grip. Wipe off any excess. And dunk it right here on your chopped nuts. And there you have it. So I'm going to finish all these through and I'll see you right back. Alright guys, my caramel apples are done. Now let's take a taste. Alright guys, so you've seen how easy it was to make your very own caramel apples. Just to give you a little suggestions, this is what you're going to do next. Right after you finish dipping your caramel apples in your peanuts, you're going to quickly place them on your cookie tray and stick them in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Within that time, you're going to check on them every 10 to 15 minutes. And what's going to happen is pretty much gravity taking its role. So the peanuts will start to slide down. What you're going to do is you're going to just, with your hands, clean hands, you're just going to cuff them just to bring them back up and gently move your candy, move your peanuts up, because what's going to happen is, like I said, it's just going to kind of like slide down a little bit, the peanuts, and all you're going to do is just cuff them like this and just gently slide them back into its right position, and then that's it. And that's just going to happen because it's not fully set. Once it's fully set, like you see right now, it's perfect, it's hard, and that's it. You just cuff them, bring them up, and keep them on the cookie sheet, and then that's it. You can enjoy it whenever you like, but keep it in the refrigerator so it can stay nice and solid and hard, and then enjoy it. It's not going to last nothing in your house, I'm telling you right now. So I am going to bite into one, but I don't like to like bite it because it's cold, it's been in the refrigerator, and my teeth are sensitive. So I'm just going to cut them and enjoy it like that. Well, not half, but I'm going to cut it half. And I'm just going to bite it into it like that. This is delicious. You got the tartness from the apples, from the caramel candies. Perfect. And then the peanuts in there. This is my favorite part. Very simple. Delicious. Have it whenever. Perfect for gatherings, parties, or a little sweet snack. Thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. It was such a pleasure having you cook along with me. Make this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video, and follow me on my social media sites. And until next time, my friends, I will see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.